Amaqela Ezopolitiko aliqela Agxeka kabukhali uMongameli uCyril Ramaphosa emva kokubhengeza kwakhe izolo ukuba uceba ukuphikisa imiba Yecandelo 89 enxulumene nomba wefama yakhe I Phala Phala. I-African Transformation Movement kunye ne-ActionSA zithi iPalamente isabophelelekile ngokomgaqo-siseko ukuba iqhubeke nenkqubo yokuthwalisa uxanduva uRamaphosa kwaye zilumkisa ngokulibaziseka ongakumbi okunokuchaphazela inkqubo yobulungisa. Kwelinye icala i-Congress of the People ithi inkqubo yokuphanda ngakumbi kulomba mayihlabele mgama ngokuzimeleyo nangokucacileyo, ngelixa yona i-Economic Freedom Fighters ithi iceba ukukhawulezisa le ngxaki enkundleni.
Kuhlukene imbono kumaqembu ezepolitiki kulandela inkulumo kaMongameli ayibhekise ezweni ngomsombuluko kusihlwa ekhuluma ngesinqumo senkantolo yomthethosisekelo esithi udaba lombiko wePhala Phala luzobuyela phambi kwePalamente lakuleli.
In the words of the Chief Justice who gave the judgment, this matter is of national importance. Therefore, it cannot be subjected to a normal roll. We need to speed it up. It has taken long. So if he thinks he's going to delay us by taking us to court and we follow normal court processes, no, we're going to apply for case management.
ActionSA notes President Cyril Ramaphosa's announcement that he intends taking the Phala Phala report on judicial review. While every person has a right to approach the courts, the president cannot use litigation as a shield against political accountability. The Constitutional Court has ruled that Parliament acted unlawfully in halting the Section 89 process, and unless a competent court orders otherwise, Parliament remains constitutionally obligated to proceed with the establishment of the impeachment committee.
This is why, as the African Transformation Movement, we're calling on the Speaker, opposition parties, and all defenders of constitutional democracy to resist every effort aimed at weakening Parliament and undermining oversight. The Phala Phala matter is no longer just about one individual. It is about defending the integrity of the Constitution, protecting the independence of Parliament, and ensuring that executive power remains accountable to the people.
Congress of the People acknowledges and respects the President's constitutional right to approach the courts to review the findings of the independent parliamentary panel. In a constitutional democracy founded on the rule of law, every person, including the President, is entitled to exercise legal remedies available within the framework of the Constitution.
I will not resign.
uMongameli ukusho kwagcwala umlomo ukuba ngeke ehle esikhundleni njengoba amanye amaqembu efuna ikhanda lakhe. Ezindabeni zeSoweto TV, nginokulunga Mthembu.